Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to log in as an employer in Ziprecruiter. So before we head into that, I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. Its AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. Now, if you want to log in to your Ziprecruiter account as an employer, so there are two accounts, the job seeker account and the employer account. Here's how you can log in as an employer. So I'm going to open a new tab, and in this new tab, I'm just going to type in Ziprecruiter. So I'm going to click on the Ziprecruiter website. Okay, because my account is already linked to this, so this isn't going to work. So I'm just going to have to open a new account entirely. Okay, so over here, just in search bar, Ziprecruiter. So here you go. So click on the Ziprecruiter website. You have to verify that you're human. Check this box. So here you go. So want to sign in. Let's say sign in. Click on the sign in button. So here you have this job seeker login. So you can either sign in as an employer by clicking on this I am an employer. Or if you want to sign in as a job seeker, click on I am job seeker. But for this tutorial, let's set it to I am an employer. So here enter your email address, your password, and click on employer login, and it's going to take you right into your employer account on Ziprecruiter. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.